Thank you for viewing our listing. Stunning. Immaculate. Must see. This highly upgraded, warm and welcoming CalAtlantic Lennar Emerson II floor plan with exceptional curb appeal, paver driveway and front porch, features 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and an enormous bonus room. Located in Starkey Ranch, just a block away from the new K-8 state-of-the-art magnet school, this home is an entertainer's dream with the popular open floor plan and functional living space. Every chef's dream is the kitchen with massive island, bar stool seating and statement pendant lights, wood cabinets, quartz counters, tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances featuring a gas range and a built-in microwave. An added bonus is the large walk-in pantry. Living and dining areas with tray ceilings have views of the backyard, and 8 sliders lead to the extended covered, screened enclosed lanai. Enjoy the comfort of the oversized owner's retreat with windows overlooking the backyard and a luxury ensuite bathroom with glass enclosed shower, large soaking tub, dual sinks, quartz counters, water closet, and walk-in closet. Secondary bedroom, guest bathroom, utility room with laundry, and valet complete the first floor. Stairway with landing leads to the second story featuring an enormous bonus room, storage closet, generously sized 3rd and 4th bedrooms, and a full bathroom with dual sinks. Fully fenced oversized, large backyard with playset and 2 gates offers privacy and endless opportunities with plenty of room to add a pool. Additional features of this energy-efficient home include wood plank tile throughout entry and main living areas, wood look blinds and upgraded lighting throughout, brass floor outlet in great room, epoxy garage floor, water softener loop and drain, hurricane shutters. Starkey Ranch, an award-winning master-planned community, offers an array of amenities and activities with pools, fields, pavilions, walking/running/bike trails, playgrounds, dog parks, community garden, library, kayaking, year-round events for all ages, nearby shopping, restaurants, and so much more. Schedule a private showing and start enjoying all the comforts of this home and a relaxing lifestyle surrounded by nature and modern conveniences of suburban living just outside your front door.